And in this video I'll show you how to sign up into SoundCloud. For that, just open your SoundCloud app, and now what you need to do is tap on create an account button, and you will see continue with Facebook, Google or Apple account, or you can also enter your email and continue with that. And I'll just suggest you to go on with these platforms because it will make you a lot easier and faster. You need to enter your Facebook password and ID and password, and after that tap on login button. And now you have to confirm that you are human, and you need to select the parts of motorcycle and tap on continue as your Facebook username, and again tap on that. And that is how you can sign up into your SoundCloud. And now you have to tell them about your information, and now you need to tell them about your date of birth and your gender, and tap on continue button, and then it will start to verify your device. Now it will ask you to select 3 artists you like, or you can simply skip it for now, and it will and that is how you can sign up and start playing music. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.